What a beautiful way to start the morning. This is my little place right there where you see the door. And honestly, it's so comfortable and the owner is so nice. I'm about to go for breakfast right now. And man, I feel like today's gonna be a great day. The weather is amazing. So happy right now. Okay, so I had a little bit of time to reflect, and it is so crazy how the mind works and how at the slightest feeling of discomfort, your brain is like, you can't do this, it's too hard, just give up. When I started feeling some pain on the first and second day, automatically my brain was like, oh, that's it. You're not going to be able to finish the thing, the walk, the Camino. And I just decided to sit with the pain for a bit or walk with the pain. And after a while, I adjusted to it. My body adjusted to it. And it's okay, you could feel it. It could be there. It doesn't mean that you can't do something. You could do very hard things. And that goes for more than just physical pain. It's also the emotional pain or just discomfort itself. It's okay to feel those things. It's okay for some things to hurt. It's okay to feel uncomfortable. Feel it. Let it be there and move forward. It doesn't mean that you have to give up. It doesn't mean that life is over. You just have to feel those uncomfortable feelings and they will pass. And then you just continue to move forward. And then you'll be proud of yourself. So it's all what kind of mental state you put yourself in. And it's all about your perspective. And you could easily listen to your mind or you could challenge your mind. And so, yeah, interesting. I just had the best coffee with the best view and the nicest weather, and I saw some pilgrims that I sat next to yesterday when I was eating lunch. Today is just such a great day. I also want to give myself a shout out because usually I'm very directionally challenged and I get lost everywhere. But a few times I actually had to give directions to people and they were the right ones. Who am I? I'm super proud of myself.